Plug the product into the car USB port. Turn on your mobile phone hotspot before connecting. Turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Android phone. Search for the product's Bluetooth signal and connect via Bluetooth on your phone. Click on the Wi-Fi icon in the upper right corner of your car screen. Search for the product's Wi-Fi signal and input the original password. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, be sure to take the Remind Connected in Drive. Go to the browser page of the car screen and enter the URL in the address bar to access wireless Android Auto.